Hi guys, my name is MJ. Welcome to the tutorial channel. Okay, this episode we're going to talk about new arrivals from PopRace. You can ignore the Gambala Mirage GT. I've just done that video. Thought I'd just leave it there for a while. A little bit of a shocker, so make sure you check that one out. Two new PopRace that just arrived. One in blister, the RWB 997 in purple. Okay, which I will show you the chase as well. That's a different one there. Okay, same but different. And also the this DLS Singer Turbo. Right, so we start off with this one. It's PopRace number 132. Here we go. That's the standard box. Okay, not the first time they've done this Singer DLS Turbo, but it's definitely the first time they've done in ducktail. Okay, so this is a very beautiful gold color. Okay, with the really matching rims as well. So no brake disc details. Okay, so you can actually see right through it, but it looks quite okay. The overall casting looks quite good. Singer Vehicle Design revealed this DLS Turbo as a tribute to the legendary Porsche 934/5 endurance races from the 1970s. This particular base car is the original 964 generation of Porsche 911. So Singer takes that classic chassis and drops in a fully restored 3.8 liter twin turbo flat 6, pushing over 700 horsepower and revving out at 7,000 RPMs. They're only building 99 pieces of this DLS turbo, and it's basically completely sold out. So in real life, there are two options: the track version, which has the massive rear wing, which PopRace has already done in orange and also in red. And this particular one is the street version with the ducktail spoiler. Okay. Nice. Very nice interior actually. The base, the seats are all in white. The dash is in black. Okay, I always like when they do the intakes, the vents properly. Indicator lights and fog lamps done properly as well. Very nice big lip in front. Okay. Look how they black out the side of the bumper. That is actually pretty cool. Okay, and it vents here, which pretty much directs airflow in here, and I believe this actually also directs air into the engine. Very cool. Is that the side exiting exhaust? Yes, it is. So base is metal, and PopRace as usual. Yeah, we'll be able to roll, no issue. Okay, very nice. So this episode, probably the Porsche purists will kind of, can I say, absolutely hate it. Two modified Porsches, the 964 into a Singer, and the 997 RWB in purple. So this is a release as Enigma exclusive, and as far as I know, Enigma is I think it's a distributor. Okay, so Enigma ones are in blister packaging. This item, product number 15. And I did notice they've started another new collab as well. I think it's Tokyo Station. Okay, we're going to check out the regular release, which we already got it out of the box. So it's in this metallic purple. At certain angle, it has a little bit of a hint of yellow to it. So I've gone through the registry. I don't see one in this purple. So I'm not sure if this is, if there's a real 997 that exists that has this purple with the silver color roll cage. So if you've seen it before, let me know in the comment section below. Okay. So it does have this vent in front here, like the GT3 RS. Okay, front bumper details is quite alright. Okay, so the only issue I have with PopRace 997 casting is it really sits just too high. Yeah, okay, which I will show you my version in a short while. Alright, but I want to show you the overall look. The twin pipes left and right, the iconic 997 rear with the taillights done separately, the massive rear wing. Okay, headlamps are actually quite okay. All right, there are some brands that did the Porsche headlamps with the huge button outside of the body, outside of the fender. That looks really very weird. So PopRace, not bad at all. Right, so this is the regular release, and as usual, the blister packaging, right, will come with a chance of chase. So as far as I understand, in the case of 12, there will be one chase. Okay, so the card is different and the paint is different. You get a chrome purple version for chase. Right, everything else seems to be the same. The rims are the same, interior full black. Right, so remember I talked about the ride height. So I do have this, which is based on RWB Ava from Philippines. This is actually swapped out. This is a collaboration. This rims are actually a collaboration between us Qube and also Tech G from Malaysia. All right, so they make very highly detailed aftermarket rims for 1/64 scale. So now you see the difference. Okay, so these are, I just tagged them on. All right, I just use white tags like that because I don't play with them like that. Okay, I don't play my models like that. I usually put them down and take photos with them. So I always prefer a nice stance. Okay, so probably I need to swap this one out too. Yeah, it looks so good, right? It's just as wide. The tires. Okay. I like that PopRace has actually done that as well. Enough spacing, then make sure that it's wide enough. Okay. Cool. So that's the two new arrivals from PopRace. Do check out my previous video on the Gambala Mirage GT. I think that's quite interesting as well. And hit the like button because that helps me out with the YouTube algorithms. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so that you don't miss on any of my other scale model videos. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, extras available through Collector's Qube. If you're looking for one, do check them out. They will be on display in the store as well. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks. Bye.